In this video you will find out how to upgrade from your free trial to the full version of Leon software. If your trial version is about to expire or you have decided that Leon is the system for you, you can go ahead and subscribe to the full version. The process of subscribing is easy and can be done by any admin user added to the account. The first step is to go to the admin panel by clicking on the gear icon next to your name and surname. Then, go to the Manage Leon Account section. Here you will see the fees for your aircraft and any other fees applicable. You can always see the subscription plan and the terms of service on this page, as these are standard for all of our customers. All you need to do now is fill out your billing information and include your credit card details. Click on Edit in the billing information to bring up the form. In the billing information pop-up, you will see the mandatory fields marked with a red asterisk. This information is required to issue monthly invoices. Please note that if your company is registered in Europe, you must also provide your EU VAT number. After you are done filling out billing details, you can click Update to save. Now, click on Update on the credit card section to enter credit card details. Fill out all the credit card details and click Pay and Store Card. The card will be charged a verification amount of €1 or $1. This payment will be credited to your account automatically. If the authorization is successful, you can proceed to the next step. If by any chance it states the transaction has failed, try to input the details again to make sure they are correct, or use a different card. If this continues, try to contact your bank directly to make sure that the card or the account is not blocked for any reason. Sometimes it fails due to security reasons. To finalize the subscription, you must accept the terms of service by ticking the checkbox and clicking Subscribe. You will then be taken to the thank you page, which means that you are now upgraded to the full version of Leon. You will also receive a confirmation email stating that your subscription has been upgraded. You can always reach the subscription page panel by clicking on the settings icon and then manage your account. Here, you can edit the billing and credit card information if needed, and check out your billed aircraft and billing statement. The invoices are issued on the last day of each month and include payment for all active aircraft. The first invoice will be charged proportionally to the number of days you have been subscribed to Leon in the first month. The credit card will be charged within 10 days from the invoice date. If you have any additional questions, please contact our support team.